Microwave popcorn. I'm going to pop some in the microwave right now. This is the good stuff. Yummy popcorn. I'm going to open this bag right now. What's in this stuff? Oh man. What did they put in here? Some type of chemicals? Oh man. Let's see if it tastes good. Good, but it's too processed. Where's the natural stuff at? Oh man. Are you sick and tired of wasting all your money for microwave popcorn that's already been packaged for you? And do you prefer something healthy? Well, I'm going to show you how to make natural microwave popcorn at home. So if I were you, I would rather stop buying microwave popcorn or just get rid of this. Here's what you need to make your natural microwave popcorn. Paper lunch bags, some popcorn kernels, a stapler, and measuring spoons. Step 1. Get your paper lunch bag and add 3 tablespoons of popcorn. One, 2, 3. Step 2. Fold your paper bag flat and fold a crease, a 1-inch crease on your paper bag, like this. And staple it only once. Step 3. Put it in the microwave. And let it pop for 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, your bag should look like this. Now you have a whole bag of fresh microwave popcorn that you do not need oil to pop it. Now that's fresh. See the freshness? Yummy. You could either eat it plain, or you could flavor it with butter or any other type of flavoring. I already have some butter that has already been melted. I'm going to pour it in my homemade microwave popcorn. If you're adding butter or salt, you should shake it up. Now this is delicious. This is way better than store-bought. So everyone, if you want some microwave popcorn that's homemade, I prefer to use a paper bag, some fresh fresh kernels, fresh popcorn kernels, and put in the microwave without using oil. This is so delicious. I really hope that this video is helpful. Bye everyone.